Hey, good morning everybody. This is Cliff with Paint Flamingo Power Wash. Back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Odessa, Florida. We're here for a returning customer. I was here about maybe 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. I did a back patio for him, a pool deck, and I told you guys I'd be coming back to do the driveway in the front area of the house. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. Pretty light day. We got 2 jobs on the schedule. We're gonna be doing too much, man. I'm recording today, which is Sunday. I don't know, I'll probably be posting this sometime this week. Right now it's 9 o'clock, a little bit after 9 o'clock. Light day, like I said. This is a big driveway. It's not really that bad as far as, you know what I'm saying, filth level. But the sidewalks are pretty dirty. So we're gonna pre-treat that with our Downstreamer. You know, put a downstream mix on it, and also we're gonna be washing just the soffits. See how soffits is dirty, and the outer gutter, exterior of the gutters, all up in here is dirty. The customer tried to do it himself, but he couldn't get up there. See, all that right there is dirty too. So we're gonna get all that cleaned up. I got the hoses out, ready to go. I'm gonna be using the big 36-inch surface cleaner. Since you guys been requesting to use it or asking about it, this is Respucia. I got big Respucia right here, man. She ready to put in some work. All right, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with me and checking out the channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We're gonna get started, man. Let's go. All right, so we just got done downstreaming, and before we even rinse, man, look at the difference. So all you need is that downstream for the house washes. Look at that. All that right there can come in clean real fast. Same thing for the exterior of the gutters. I don't put a lot of surfactant in my SH for downstreaming because I don't like when I go to put more SH in my tank, it starts to foam start coming out, falling inside the van. I don't like that, so therefore I don't use a lot of surfactant inside my SH tank. I just put a little bit, just enough, you know what I'm saying, so I can see it, and I'm saying make it stick to the walls. The concrete doesn't matter for SH, I mean for surfactant, man, because you can make it stick to concrete. It's gonna just soak in with surfactant or no surfactant, really. So, but it's good to see on camera. You know what I'm saying? It's good for content. But everything's coming out really good, man. We're just gonna give it a couple minutes to dwell some more, and we're gonna give it a rinse and jump on this driveway. Alright, after a good rinse, look at that. It's looking righteous. Nice white sockets. Yes, sir. All right, let's get this driveway knocked out. Alright, so we're halfway through. I like to clean half and half of these big driveways so I don't let the dirt settle back down, especially when the sun's out. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they'll dry real quick, so therefore I just I do half, rinse it, and I do the other half, rinse that. You know what I'm saying? Make it easy on myself. All right, man, final product. Everything came out great. Didn't even have the post street. Driveway came out fantastic. No lines whatsoever. My bad, I did have the, oh, look at that, I almost left my gun. I did have to post street this sidewalk because of the tree right here. So there was a lot of stains right here. But you see the difference from what it looked like earlier. Earlier you couldn't even see it. Look at that. Gotta love it, man. I'm gonna get that check. I'm gonna see y'all on the next job. All right, we're at the second job, second and final job for me, so I can go relax. Like I said, today's Sunday. Y'all gonna see this video later this week sometime. We're in Leno Lakes right now. We're gonna be doing this driveway here. This customer got a letter from the HOA, so we're gonna get all cleaned up. Pretty dirty driveway. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get it back to life. Sidewalk's not really that bad, but we'll go ahead and clean it up. Look like some new sidewalk right here. I don't know if we'll put pressure on that. Probably not. This is what it looks like now. We'll be doing the walkway. Get rid of all these weeds right here in between the cracks with the turbo nozzle. Yeah, man, same thing we did last job. We're gonna downstream it with a pre-treatment and then use Respucia to clean it up. All right, guys, let's get to work. done here. Everything's cleaned up. Looking good, man. Got the walkway cleaned up. That's what you want right there. I thought I was gonna be leaving, man, but the neighbor that lives right there across the street asked me to clean his driveway. Actually, I think that's them leaving right over there. They just left. Actually, no, they're still right there. Yes, sir.
Did they water or did they?
Oh, yeah, I got a hose.
Okay, yeah.
Right to the side?
Trash can?
Yes, sir.
There is a on the side.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, awesome.
I'll take care of it. Thank you. All right, that was the homeowner. So I'm gonna go across the street, man. I got one more. Gotta love it, man. I'll see y'all over there. It's gonna be a long drive, right? This is his driveway. Look like he took the wand to it, man. See a lot of marks on it. All those little marks. He going sideways, up and down, all that. He got an oil stand. I told him that, you know, that doesn't come up. It might lighten up some, but I don't guarantee those ever. Yeah, pretty much he went over it with a wand, man. He probably didn't use no chemical, so he got tiger stripes all over it. So we're gonna go ahead and knock it out with a surface cleaner. Man, we are done for the day now, for real. Got the driveway cleaned up. Look at that fresh concrete. No more striping. Everything looks good, man. That's what we want right here, baby. No stripes. Sidewalk is looking pretty good. I'm flushing out my injector right now. That baby been going since last July, man. Almost a year. Sam Downstreaming injector. That super sud sucker. That thing works really good, man. Got the curb cleaned up. See where I stopped at? All cleaned up, baby. Alright guys, man. I appreciate y'all checking the video out. 3 driveways today, pretty easy day. know, sometimes it be like that, man. 3 driveways. It's been a while since I did 3 in one day. But I appreciate y'all checking the video out. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe below. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.